Toyota has done it again. With the inception of the 2023 Toyota Bz4x automobile, they have indeed taken the global electric automobile manufacturing industry by storm. The 2023 Toyota Bz4x comes with groundbreaking, choke-slamming, and of course breathtaking features that will set it apart from other electric vehicles in the industry. Are you thinking of adding this incredible car to your fleet? Here are some terrific features you should look out for. Before we proceed, please click on the subscription button at the bottom left of the video for more updates on the Toyota Bz4x. Over time, Japanese car manufacturing giant Toyota has remained a household name in the car manufacturing industry, producing close to 9.1 million vehicles globally. However, its overdue absence in the EV sector came to an end after the company unveiled its new model, Bz4x, alongside its car manufacturing partner, Subaru. According to Toyota, the name is derived from a combination of the beyond zero emission of the car and 4x that describes the compact crossover of the SUV. This announcement comes 2 years after Toyota pledged to release 7 new all-electric vehicles under its new Beyond Zero BZ line. This is in accordance with their mission statement of reducing carbon emissions to make the earth safer and better for us. This announcement was made at the annual motor show and the Auto Shanghai held in Shanghai, China. First, among the BZ fleet is the Bz4x. The new model was born out of Toyota's goal of reducing carbon emission. The Bz4x is developed and designed making use of technological advancements to produce excellent connectivity, slick acceleration, and perfect maneuvering. The Bz4x is quite similar to the design used in developing the RAV4 crossover in terms of shape, size, and its clandestine edges. In addition, the new Bz4x electric battery automobile features a battery level of 71.4 kilowatt-hour with ability to get under 280 to 300 miles range. Also, the Bz4x makes use of a DC fast charging mechanism without compromising the lifespan of the battery. The new Toyota Bz4x comes with an all-wheel drive version that has 215 horsepower. The new vehicle model would be built on E-Tenga electric vehicle structure, a B.E.V platform dedicated to all electric vehicles. The platform will offer a complete package of wide cabin space, a rear-wheel drive, high soundproof glass windows, front-wheel drive, and dual-motor all-wheel drive that guarantees a smooth drive around town. Also, the instrument panel is placed in a low position that guarantees high level of focus alongside the vehicle meters situated above the steering that improves visibility. The car features an adaptive cruise range, allowing the vehicle to glide through weather conditions like snowstorm, sand domes, or uneven terrains. The interiors of the Bz4x are designed in such a way that allows comfort and speaks of class. Mounted in front of the driver is a 12.3-inch central infotainment touchscreen that allows the driver to receive over-the-air updates via the multimedia screen. The Toyota Bz4x will also have Android Auto Voice Control, digital assistance, and a connected sat-nav for mapping and convenience in charging. Moreover, the Bz4x uses digital signals to determine where to turn the vehicle wheels, and this is made possible by the steer-by-wheel system, whereby steering does not have direct mechanical connections to the wheels of the vehicle. In terms of size, the Bz4x measures 184.6 inches, estimated to be 3.7 inches longer than the RAV4 model. Also, the Bz4x offers a comfortable legroom for the front seat and 35.3 inches for passengers in the rear seats. Cargo volume is estimated to be about 27.7 cubic feet. Let's not forget the sound system, because every good car should have a terrific one. In this regard, the Toyota Bz4x is no exception. The model boasts of a JBL premium sound system that comes with an 8-inch subwoofer. On the exterior, the Bz4x features a Toyota Teammate system and a solar cell on the roof of the vehicle to maximize solar energy. The Toyota Teammate system is a complete package of external cameras, radar system, emergency steering assist, front cross traffic alert, as well as a safety sense system that monitors the activity of the driver based on his posture. So if you're about to fall asleep while driving, the safety sense system is there to keep you in check. From an aerial view, the overall profile of the Bz4x is balanced and clandestine from the front to the rear. Another interesting feature of the Toyota Bz4x is the installation of a solid-state battery developed from solid electrolytes. This would in turn promise safety, storage, and durability in comparison to the lithium-ion battery packs previously made. Like several Toyota models previously released, the Toyota Bz4x sports pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane keeping assistance, and automated emergency braking in case of accidents. By 2025, Toyota plans to expand to 70% electrified vehicles to feature 15 dedicated BEVs and 7 carrying Bz brand moniker. Some of the range of vehicles to expect by 2025 would be hybrid electric vehicles H.E.V, plug-in electric vehicles PHEV, battery electric vehicles BEV, and fuel cell electric vehicles FCEV. With the existence of this range of vehicles, customers are offered a wider range of options to choose from. Now, the world is drawn to its amazing features, and questions are being asked about the pricing of the Toyota Bz4x. Well, according to Toyota New Zealand CEO Niraj Lala, officials have announced that this new model won't come in cheap. According to Toyota's New Zealand CEO Niraj Lala, he revealed that it would not be an affordable BEV due to the high cost of research and development done to invent the vehicle. Toyota has also released an official statement about the vehicle's pricing on their website. According to them, the EV is expected to be raised above the RAV4 Prime, which cost about $38,350 with the base Bz4x to cost about $40,000 in the US market. Several details about the Bz4x version to hit the US market have been brought to light. So if you're staying in the United States and considering getting yourself a Toyota Bz4x, here are some details worth noting. First, from the show car displayed at the auto show held at Shanghai last year, we can deduce that the car features an orange marker light, although the model to hit the US market is said not to possess this. Secondly, the yoke-style steering wheel displayed in the show vehicle seems to have been replaced with the normal round-shaped steering, which of course calls for no alarm, as this is intentionally done by Toyota. Thirdly, the wiper and turn indicator have a simpler and rounded design in the US spec view. Hopefully, these slight changes will not impede the performance of the electric automobile. Finally, the long wait for the Toyota Bz4x came to an end this year when the automobile eventually launched in Japan on 12th of May 2022 on lease order to dispel customers' fear regarding the residual battery performance, B.E.V maintenance, and the residual value of the vehicle. The vehicle comes with a maximum 10-year warranty on its battery performance. Most importantly, efforts to contribute to the battery lifespan will be implemented by making use of battery technologies in sync with the 3 R's of rebuilding, reusing, and recycling. Do you think the hype is really worth Toyota's new Bz4x? Let us know what you think in the comment section below.